kababayan, ma'am sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ng inyong lingkod. So today is April 18, 2026 at tayo ngayon ay papunta dyan sa may Brixton Tech Street, dito na sa may Caloocan City, Barangay 80, University Hills, Caloocan. At dadalhin po natin yan sa Tapsilogan ni Chairman sa may Barangay 25, may Paho, Caloocan po yan. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman, saka naman po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government o private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel nito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po na pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Okay po, magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti po pag nakuha na po natin sila. Balik tayo ng mga nagbabagong balita at talakay.
Yes, online application.
Online ako. Paano ko tatanggapin yung halimbawa yung magkano man yung na-approve
na loan? Yes, SB Corp will guide them. Very specific din po ang maging step by step na.
Kung ako Taganaga,
Yes,
I
yeah.
don't have to go to Legazpi kasi nandun yung regional office. Online na rin ang transaction.
Yes, online. And they will explain to you there kung ano yung mga steps na dapat gawin mo. And you can call, may hotline din po sila.
Pag
So
sinabi
you
natin
can,
hotline, Metro Manila based, but that's nationwide
yes,
operation.
yeah, nationwide. But ang best for them is to really go to the regional offices so that alam nila, the regional
yung
directors
consultation
and the
din.
people there in the regional offices, the DTI employees can guide them as they, especially those na bago pa lang.
Tsaka alam mo naman ma'am, di ba, kung minsan minsan nandun pa yung para maniwala ko, kailangan makita ko.
Yes.
In other words, si magsasaka, si sari-sari owner, kapag nakakausap ng DTI, may comfort level.
Yes.
Totoo ito kasi siya nga.
Yes,
Kasi-
totoo ito.
Oo.
This loan is really first important sa kanila. And talagang we're really very serious about this loan. So, bigay
malamang-
po to ng Marcos administration para sa ating mga kababayan that are into business, especially the micro, small, and medium enterprises.
Siguro aggressive sa marketing, sa information campaign yung mga regional offices because para bago mag-SONA 2026, magre-report kayo. Ilang OFW ang nakinabang,
Yes,
ilang
definitely.
kababayan ang nakinabang,
Yes,
ilang transport
definitely.
ang nakinabang dito.
Yes,
Kasi,
definitely.
di ba ho, in the past ho kasi, malaki yung pondo, pero kukunti lang yung nag-avail.
Last year we maxed out the budget that was given to SB Corporation, and this year we really naubos siya. So talagang we really, ang main goal is really pautangin lahat ng micro, small, and medium enterprises na talagang kailangan ng funding.
Siyempre,
Yes.
magtatanong ako ng repayment rate.
Yes, actually,
Maayos, maganda.
nasa SB Corp na po yun. So, pero ang
Mataas,
dapat
mataas.
ang MSME kailangan nila maging responsable.
Correct. Para
Because
to sustain the business.
yes, and for them to grow the business. How can
Correct.
you grow your business if you're not
Yes.
responsible? And
Yes.
one of the responsibility is of course to be able to take care of these loans para maganda yung credit line mo. You can keep on borrowing hanggang talagang lumaki ang negosyo mo.
Oh,
And another thing that we give them also, ang importante, kasi we can keep on producing products, but if we don't have market access, meaning saan nila ibebenta yung mga produkto, then the products don't mean anything. So meron ng DTI trade shows nationwide. So again, to the MSMEs, let's
Trade
take
shows?
trade shows, yes. We have
Regular
already,
happening?
yes, happening every month nationwide. We have 200 trade shows nationwide. We have 18 regions.
gusto ng mga
So,
negosyante yan. kasi
yes, and
nadi-display nila kung
yes,
ang produkto nila.
yes, and ang maganda dito, libre po ito. So, this is all free. So, this is your chance to showcase your product. Ang unang-una, we invite bulk buyers, wholesale buyers now. Meaning, hotels, Hotel Association
Oo.
or mga hotels talaga,
Parang
cafe.
business matching na
Yes,
kayo.
pupunta na sila doon and
Para
pipili
makita nila
sila.
yung mga supplier.
Yes, and matikman din nila yung produkto kung food siya
Galing.
or kung mga non-food, makikita din nila yung produkto because these people are always in a hunt also for good products, for new products.
Did you
Yes.
say 200 plus trade shows?
Yes, we have 200 plus trade shows. We have grown already. We have grown already leaps and bounds. In fact, just to give you one example, no, meron kaming trade show. We just had a trade show, April 8 to 12,
Saan ho?
yung NSF sa Mega Mall.
Okay.
Okay, last year, the same time, kasi very, we need to see growth also.
Yes, yes.
Last year, exactly the same time, the same trade show, the same number of dates, we sold 65 million. This year, so crisis na ngayon, right? April 8 to 12, we sold 124 million.
Doble.
So, doble. So, this goes to show also,
Hindi naapektuhan.
hindi naapektuhan. And
Magandang
yung
production.
magandang production. And ano po to manufacturers.
Tsaka potential.
These are not traders. These,
Alright.
the people who join the trade shows are manufacturers, not traders.
Sila mismo yung producer, kumbaga.
So, the Philippine government, through the Marcos administration, gives them
Okay.
opportunities for market access. This is local lang, ha. Kung gusto nila ng global,
Okay.
again, the DTI has 29 trade attaches all over the world and 21 DTI offices. So, they can take advantage of this also.
Alright. Mamaya sa ating pagbabalik sa last segment natin, tingnan natin yung kabuuan on a national scale. Kumusta ang negosyo sa ating bansa? Apektuhan ba tayo? At ano ang plano rito? No? Ano ang trend ngayon? Manufacturing, industry, services, ano bang, nasaan tayo ngayon? No? Para makita natin on a national scale, on a nationwide scale, vis-a-vis global, tingnan natin saan patungo ang negosyo sa Pilipinas under the Marcos
Na-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli, ingat po at God bless. Paalam po muna pansamantala. Tayo ay gagawa na ng ibang video sa ating susunod na misyon. Paalam po muna pansamantala. This is John, the Filipino Channel. Ang ipong lingkod. Paalam po.